How to delete or remove TikTok shop address. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you will be able to remove or modify your shop address. Now the shop address that I'm referring to is basically your warehouse or your return address. And to be able to modify those or edit those, you're going to look over here on the left side. You're going to look for your account section over here. Inside the account section, you have your seller profile, account setting, and linked TikTok accounts. Simply select account settings, and you will be able to see all of these options over here. Look for the warehouse settings over here. Now, the warehouse is basically your shop address because this is where your delivery driver will get the product from, and this is also where the returns will be delivered to. So simply select this, and you will be able to see here pickup warehouse and return warehouse. To be able to modify this, simply click on action, and you will be able to modify all of this information. If you want to delete a specific warehouse, that is not something you can do because that is something that is required, but you will be able to modify it nonetheless. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.